In this video, we will be doing some mnemonics to remember the spectrochemical series. This is the spectrochemical series. It is a list of ligands and ions which are arranged in the increasing strength, and they are also arranged in the increasing splitting of the d orbitals. The series moves from the iodide ion followed by the bromide ion towards the cyanide ion and the carbon monoxide ligand. In our trick, we will be dividing the entire series into three parts, and we will be making three different mnemonics for the sake of convenience. So in the first part of the series, we are moving from the iodide ion towards the fluoride ion. The mnemonic is I brought snacks, clock and some fruits. From I we have the iodide ion. From Br of brought we have the bromide ion. From snacks we have Sn and C, which is rearranged to form the SCN minus ligand. From Cl we have the chloride ion. From some we have the sulfide ion, and from fruits we have fluoride ion. In the next part of the series, which is the second part, we are moving from the hydroxide ion towards the ammonia ligand. So the mnemonic is hydroxychloroquine, water needed in America. Now hydroxychloroquine is the drug, which is the medicine. So from hydroxy we have the OH minus ligand. From chloroquine we are taking the C, and this C stands for C2O42 minus, which is the oxalate ion. Now this chloroquine is not a chloride ion, it is the C2O42 minus ligand. Then we have water, which is the H2O ligand. Then we have N from needed, which is the NCS minus ligand. We have ED next in needed, and ED stands for the EDTA4 minus ligand, that is the ethylene diamine tetraacetate ligand. Then we have America, which is taken as ammonia, that is the NH3 ligand. Now we have the last part of the series, which is the third part, and in this we have the En, which is the ethylene diamine ligand, then the Cn minus ligand, and lastly we have the carbon monoxide ligand. So the mnemonic is English NCC. So from English we have taken En. From NCC we have taken NC, that stands for the Cn minus, and C, which stands for the CO, that is the carbon monoxide ligand. Now we have again made another trick to avoid confusion between which comes first, whether it's a cyanide minus ligand or the CO ligand. So for that the trick is CCO. CCO is the watch brand, and from that we have CCO. So C, which occurs first, stands for Cn, and CO, which occurs towards the end, stands for CO, that is the carbon monoxide ligand. So now let's summarize the entire mnemonic. We started from iodide and ended at the carbon monoxide ligand by dividing the series into three parts. So the first mnemonic was I brought snacks, clock and some fruits. Hydroxychloroquine, water is needed in America. And then English NCC, wherein NCC is further having a trick called CCO.